transmitted by mosquitoes. And since it's a widespread program, the carriers, most of the people may already have been carriers of this filaria. They may not suffer from the disease right now. So since they are having a system, so they have to take this diethyl carbamazine tablets.
Mr. Disa also informed that unlike last year wherein people had to come to the booth to collect the medication, this time round the volunteers went to the people and distributed the medicines.
They have provided teams of over 100 teams are going around in pairs of two all over the place, and they are distributing the drugs. It's free of cost. It's a massive drive. This year we are not concentrating on booths, because booths we wait for people to come, and some of the people don't come. So this year the strategy of the government is to go to the people.
The source of oil seepage at Jina Sindoli in Sankwal has escaped detection so far. The Deputy Speaker and Kortali MLA Movin Gudino, along with Deputy Collector Levinson Martins and Deputy Superintendent of Police Dio Benaulikar and officials of the Zuari Indian Oil Tanking Limited on Tuesday inspected the place once again.
Mr. Steve, Director Zuari India Oil Tanking Limited, stated that the oil storage tanks are not leaking. He also ruled out tapping.
Prima facie, the tanks are not leaking, according to us. But that too we are not leaving to chance. We are going for a survey to see whether there is any tapping. We don't have any pipeline that can be tapped. We don't get any tankers. It's a line that's coming from the port. It doesn't come this side at all.
Mr. Gudino further said that the seepage was a serious matter and the people of the locality have been apprehensive earlier when tanks were being fixed.
Criminal negligence. They think पावसान कितें उडयलें जालें लोकांची वाट लावून दी समजलो न्हू तुमी लीकेज आहा जाल्यार प्लग करपा जाय even after 4 days they are not able to ascertain any reason that it makes it all the more serious. No? I was here inspecting the thing. This is a very serious matter. In fact, 5 days ago when I visited here, I had given clear-cut instructions. Number one, don't try to pass the buck. Admit that there is some seepage, there is something which has gone wrong. Identify the cause. Case is, there is a serious seepage and all the fingers point out to Zuari oil tanking. People were very apprehensive when these tanks were being fixed here for precisely the same reasons. They said the danger from Vasco is being transferred to Sankwal. The MD, I called him and he had reassured me there is nothing to worry. It is a world-class facility. No seepage can take place even if there is an accident.
The Goa State Pollution Control Board representative Dr. Simon D'Souza said that 3 sets of water samples collected showed presence of oil.
We had collected 3 samples. First sample was at the almost start of the stream. Second sample was in the middle, and third sample was in the well, drinking water well. The analysis reports have come. The analysis shows that there is oil content in the water. First samples.
What is the percent, sir?
It is in milligrams per liter ppm level. It is 116 milligrams per liter. In the first sample. The second sample shows that in the middle somewhere here, it shows 195 milligrams per liter oil, and the third sample in the well, very little oil is there, 4.6 milligrams per liter.
The Deputy Collector Levinson Martins confirmed that oil companies are on the job to trace the oil seepage.
As a magistrate, immediately we have taken cognizance of this. Prima facie being satisfied, order was issued, conditional for the companies to act. They have acted. It has been monitored. There was a hearing. Tomorrow again there is a hearing. Again I would ask the Pollution Control Board to take another sample today itself, which is equipped, so that we know now whether it is going down or not. So on that we will know whether the source is plugged or not.
And we'll be back with more news on the other side of this break. Stay with us. Welcome back. You're with Goa 365. Rudreshwar, a Panaji-based association engaged in preservation, promotion and presentation of cultural heritage, is celebrating its 15th anniversary. Rudreshwar Panaji has participated in various cultural events, competitions, mahotsavs at state and national levels and brought laurels to the state for the last 15 years. Speaking at a press conference, Somnath Karpe, General Secretary of Rudreshwar Panaji, highlighted the activities that will be conducted on the occasion of the 15th anniversary of the institution.
We are organizing All Goa Bhavgit competition, which is scheduled on 15th of November. And on 16th, we are organizing All Goa Dindi competition, which is a traditional folk dance competition. Competition will be held in 3 groups, that is A group, B group and C group. A group will be between the competitors who are between age group of 5 to 10, B will be from age group of 10 to 15, and C will be from 15 years and above. We have decided to organize this Dindi competition, which will start at 3 p.m. from Panji Patho, and the same Dindi procession will pass through Progress High School, Church Square, and via Atmaram Borkar Road it will proceed to Mahalakshmi Temple. The said competition will begin at 4 p.m. and will conclude at Mahalakshmi Temple.
The annual Dindi Festival of Margao has celebrated its 99th year of tradition with great pomp and gaiety by all sections of society. This being one of the famous festivals at Margao, the large number of devotees attended the festival from various parts of Goa and the neighbouring states. The large number of devotees sought blessings at the procession of the Vithal Rakhumai from Hari Mandir to Vithal Mandir.
पुन्हा अंगठली पालखी आमची विठ्ठल मंदिराची पालखी हरी मंदिराच्या पालखे बरोबर थंय वता दामोदराचे भेटी वता आणि मागीर ती पालखी त्यांचो निरोप थंय भेटीचो निरोप घेवन ती परती विठ्ठल मंदिरान दोन्ही पालखी हांगा येतात. हरी मंदिराची पालखी मागीर आमचो हांगासर काकड आरती वेळा येवन आमचे भजन बिजन सगळें हें करून आमचो निरोप नाल्ल घेवन मागीर परती आपल्या प्रवासाक हरी मंदिरान वता.
Speaking to Goa 365, Manohar Borkar told us the significance of the Dindi festival.
आणि ही दिंडीची सुरुवात 1909 सालांत श्री गोपाळ शेठ सडेकार बंधू, बाळकृष्ण नेवगी, गोविंद कामत, नारगुणकर बंधू आणि इतर जे वारकरी जे लोक असे कर्नाटकांतल्यान आनी जे महाराष्ट्राच्या बॉर्डरी वयल्यान हांगा आयिल्ले तांकां हांगा पुर्तुगेजो अंमल आशिल्लो आनी त्या पुर्तुगेजो अंमलाडेन हांगा तांकां थंय वचपाक शक्य जायनाशिल्लें. कार्तिकी एकादशी म्हणा अथवा तुगेली आपली दुसरी जी एकादशीक तांकां पंढरपुरा वचपाक त्रास जाताले कारण पासपोर्ट लागतालो आनी खूब डिफिकल्ट जाताल्यो. तेन्ना ह्या लोकांनी हांगा फुडाकार घेवन ह्या लोकांनी हांगा एक भजनान दिंडेची सुरवात केली आनी तांचो मुख्य उद्देश आशिल्लो की आमी जर हांगा सुद्दां जर विठ्ठल रखुमाईचें जर आमी हांगा भजन करून जर आमकां तांचें दर्शन प्राप्त जाता ह्या हातूंतल्यान ही दिंडीची संकल्पना उबी जाली.
Prominent vocalists performed at the Dindi festival. With that, we come to the end of this news bulletin. We'll be back with more news and analysis from the news desk of Goa 365. Until then, goodbye.